Approval stall, requests pile up. Your platform team ends up processing tickets instead of enabling data. Incorta's system-level workflows change that, automating the many kinds of interactions that happen across your data catalog, so users get trusted access without the manual back and forth. Here's an example in action. A user requests access to a catalog asset. Typically, the data owner would get a notification and execute the approval. However, instead of using the default approval workflow Incorta has configured, an organization may require a more robust and flexible approval framework to fit their governance needs. In this case, the governance team manages a few requirements. First, catalog approvers do not go through asset owners, but through a pre-selected board of approvers from the governance team. And these interaction requests and approvals are both logged to a database for future audits. Once published, this workflow is triggered by an Incorta event and executes the workflow. As a result, the approver receives an email to accept or decline the request, and actions are logged to a MySQL database for future audits and reporting. Now let's see the series of events orchestrated in workflows from the front end. First, a user in the data catalog requests access to an asset. In the background, an entry in MySQL is being created and emails are sent to the approvers. Next, the preordained approver receives the email and approves the asset. Again, the workflow logs the event and permits access to the asset. Finally, data governors can access the underlying audit data logged by the workflow through a simple MySQL connection to build a full report within minutes. One workflow, one example, and just a glimpse of what a bespoke system workflow can do for automation across Incorta.